Hi guys, today I will tell you about the mathematical astronomy, or we can say that unreasonable effectiveness of mathematics in natural science. The basic topic is unreasonable effectiveness of mathematics in the natural science. In 1960, physics Nobel laureate Igor Winger wrote a famous article entitled The Unreasonable Effectiveness of Mathematics in the Natural Science. In this article, Wigner referred to the uncanny ability of mathematics not only to describe but even to predict phenomena in the physical world. He wrote, "The miracle of the appropriateness of the language of mathematics to the formulation of the laws of physics is the wonderful gift which we neither understand nor deserve." Unreasonable effectiveness. How come mathematics describe nature's mysteries so well? This image shows the Orion Nebula as seen by the Hubble Space Telescope. Image courtesy NASA ESA M. Roberto Space Telescope Science Institute and the Hubble Space Telescope Orion Transiting Project team. Indeed, how is it possible that all the phenomena observed in classical electricity and magnetism can be explained by the means of just four mathematical equations? Furthermore, physics James Clerk Maxwell, after whom those four equations of electromagnetism are named, showed in 1864 that the equations predicted that varying electric or magnetism field should generate appropriate waves. These waves, the familiar electromagnetism waves, were eventually detected by the German physicist Heinrich Hertz in a series of experiments conducted in the late 1880s. And if that is not enough, the modern theory of electrodynamics, known as quantum electrodynamics, is even more astonishing. In 2016, a group of physicists at Harvard University determined the magnetic moment of the electron, which measures how strongly the electron interact with the magnetic field to the precious of 8 parts in a trillion. Calculations of the electron's magnetic moment based on qubit reach the same precious, and the two results agree. What is it that gives mathematics such as incredible power? In the present short article, I will not even attempt to answer these intricate questions. I will rather present some less familiar aspects of the problem itself. The puzzle of the power of mathematics is in fact even more complex than the above example of electromagnetism might suggest. These are actually two facts to the unreasonable effectiveness, one that I will call active and another I dub passive. The active phase facts refers to the fact that when scientists attempt to light their way through a labyrinth of natural phenomena, they use mathematics as their torch. In other words, at least some of the laws of nature that are formulated in directly applicable mathematical terms. The mathematical entities, relationships, relations and equations used in those laws were developed for the specific application. Newton, for instance, formulated the branch of mathematics, however, as calculus because he needed this tool for these equations of motions. Similarly, string theorists today often develop the mathematical machinery they need. The passive effectiveness, on the other hand, refers to cause in which abstract mathematical theories had been developed with absolutely no applications in mind, only to turn out decades or sometimes centuries later to be powerful predictive physical models. In what follow, I will describe a wonderful example of the continuous interplay between active and passive effectiveness. So, mathematics and effectiveness of this chapter, I will tell you the major details of each by scientist individually on the next video. So thank you so much. Goodbye and take care or listen me. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.